Français fessé présente en et dont. When are you going to use en and when are you going to use dont? First of all, en is called a pronom complément. It is the same family as y, le, la, les, lui et leur. Dont is a pronom relatif and is the same family as qui, que et où. So you are going to use en when you're expressing une chose or une idée avec l'article indéfini une, un, des. You are using en when you're expressing a quantity, beaucoup de, peu de, trop de. And you are using en lorsque when you are talking about the origin of something or somebody. Venir de quelque part. To come from somewhere. Dont you're going to use when you're talking about something or something that could be here a project. You are going to use dont when you're using an adjective with de. Like for example, je suis fière de ce projet. I'm very proud of that project. You're going to use dont when the verb has the preposition de. Je me souviens de ce projet. And you're going to use en when it's expressing a belonging or a possession. Le livre de quelqu'un, someone's book. The book belong to someone. Here are few examples, but first be careful on do not link to sentence. It does not. So you will say je veux des pommes and you're going to replace des pommes par en. Why? Because it's expressing a thing with an article indéfini, une, un, une, des. But on the contrary, dont is linking two sentences together. Exemple, je parle de Pierre, il est grand. Pierre dont je parle est grand. You are linking these two sentences and you are using dont because the preposition of the verb is de, parler de. So we said that we're going to use en when you are expressing a chose or an ID. We've just seen this. So you would say je mange des fraises and you're going to be des fraises by en. Okay? Now if you're expressing a quantity, as we said, like j'ai beaucoup de travail, I have lots of work, you're going to replace travail par en, and it's going to be j'en ai beaucoup. You're also going to replace stylo here by en. And this is an example with an interrogative sentence. As-tu un stylo? En as-tu un? En refer to stylo using an article indéfini. Be careful if you're using an article défini like as-tu le stylo? Have you got the pen? You're not going to use en. You're going to use le, la, or les. So, l'as-tu will be the answer if you're using an article défini. L'as-tu. Autre exemple, c'est de ton frère dont je parle. Ici, nous avons la préposition de, again, parler de, so we are going to use dont. Provenance, do you remember I mentioned coming from? I come from Spain. Je viens d'Espagne, and you're going to say j'en viens. because provenance, you're using Jean. Jean vient. Then you're going to use dont because you're talking of a possession. Donc, le mari dont la femme est anglaise. Il y a une possession, une appartenance. La femme appartient au mari. Il y a une appartenance entre les deux. Between the two, they're together. There's possessing each other, if you want. So you're going to use dont. J'ai un livre dont l'auteur est Victor Hugo. You're going to use dont because you're using the idea of belonging. So here you've linked two sentences, if you like. J'ai un livre, point. Il appartient à Victor Hugo. J'ai un livre dont l'auteur est Victor Hugo.